Hey there viewers, and we are kicking off this week with a brand new project, and we're going to focus on a topic which is health. And we're going to use the Lean Startup Canvas. Again, we are going to touch on 4 points, which is the problem, the audience, the UVP, and solutions. So let's first focus on the problem, and let's try and define it with your team or with yourself, with a startup founder, whoever you work with. It's good to understand the problem, and this is very general, but currently in the UK, hospitals are over capacity, and these are questions relating to the problem. So, can patients self-analyze? Can a small percentage of cases be self-diagnosed? Now, those are very general questions again. So the target audience we've chosen to focus on is Generation Y or millennials, because again, if you're designing for someone, it's not going to be yourself or the founder or the team even. This is for a specific user. So again, to align the team, let's choose a target audience, and we're going with millennials or Generation Y. What is the unique value proposition? What is the product's primary reason you are different and worth buying? So what we're going to do is use data to track your sweat health. There will be an app to spot conditions. Again, we're going to prevent rather than treat. And then the solutions. What is the minimum feature set MVP that demonstrates the UVP? So again, we're going to use sweat data from TechWare, and then we're going to spot conditions and then recommendations. So we're kind of outlining the user journey, very similar to Vision AI, the first project we did last week. So the name that I've gone with is a very generic name, which is Sweat Health. There's quite a few companies already that use the name Sweat in their name. So again, this is very generic. We're going to create the logo tomorrow. And then one thing that I didn't really do last week is look at the brand values, which are important to millennials. So let's think of 3 keywords or 3 values that represent the brand. And straight away, I thought modern could be one, because using sweat to analyze your health is quite new. So modern is quite a good keyword. Prevent, again, is something that we're trying to do, well-being. So I'm probably rambling on, but these 2 words are very similar. Maybe it's just 2 words of modern and well-being, and those values we're gonna place within the mission or the brand values. And then another thing to look at that you may not do is look at the competition. Try and look at the ones that are really absolutely smashing it at the moment, which is Fitbit. So I'm pretty sure that you're aware of this wearable tech, which has metrics on your running and exercise. I'm pretty sure they do more than that, but Fitbit is really nice. If you look at their designs, where we can quickly look at their stuff. So here's their website, and they're focusing on the new year, the new goals. It's really clean, simple. They got real people in the hero ticker or the hero image, and straight away it's relating to exercise. It seems obvious, but we're going to use this as inspiration for sweat health. And here you can see the device silhouette with some metrics in there. Again, it's just so clean and simple. And we scroll down, again, it's just nice and minimal. So I'm going to keep this under 5 minutes. If you did find the content useful, and please leave a comment, leave a like, hit subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.